Yo, what's up, guys? What is going on? You know what time it is. Today marks day 21 of the 21 days choose fasting. Yes, we did it. We did it. If you're still there, congratulations. If you hopped on this journey and you hopped off, congratulations. It doesn't matter. We did it. We can say that we did it. And guys, it has been 21 days. I haven't eaten anything. I've only drunk water. I've drunk juice. I've drunk tea. And yes, the last 3 days I started eating some fruits. And I also made some smoothies. Other than that, I haven't had any real solid meal or solid food. And that's just something that I did to clean myself completely, like internally. So I'm just so happy that I did this because there is a lot of lessons that I learned from this. I'm gonna go downstairs, by the way. There's a lot of lessons that I learned from this, and I'm actually, yes, actually I'm going to make another video. I'm gonna make another video where I'm going to be disclosing the biggest takeaways for me, the things that I actually learned through doing this. So tomorrow, for tomorrow, my meal, it's already, it's not yet ready, but my ingredients are. So what I'm going to do today, today is day 21, and it's actually 7 right now. It's 7 because the clock is 1 hour back. It's 7 right now. What I'm gonna do today, let me say in a few hours before I go to bed, I'm gonna have this delicious vegan homemade. Well, I don't know. There's milk. There are stuff in there that is not vegan. So let me just say this cake. It's a coconut cake. I've been thinking of, wow, I just want to eat some coconut cake with the tea that I'm gonna drink this evening. So this is actually, it's very soft. I don't know if you can feel this. No, I can feel it. You cannot. You can just say this. So yes, that's what I'm going to have. And guys, yes, it has been a wonderful ride. Let's see what happens in the future. But for now, I'm gonna leave you guys with this. Yes, actually, I'm gonna leave you guys with this. I'm gonna show you how much energy that I still have. Despite the fact that I haven't had any solid foods for so long. So I'm gonna hop on to the yard, and what are we gonna do? I'm gonna do, let me say, 3 backflips, and I'm gonna give you guys, I'm gonna give you guys some power move combinations just to burst out the energy. This is my celebration. Yes, I'm just gonna celebrate in my own way, and yes, enjoy, guys, and see you. I think tomorrow on the last video that I'm gonna make to give you guys my biggest takeaways and why I feel that everybody should at least do something like this or attempt to do something like this. So guys, with that being said, the 21 days juice fasting, it's done for now. Of course, it's done for now, and enjoy the celebration, and I'll see you guys on the next project that I decide to hop on it. Don't forget, guys, life, it's about adventure. It's your life. You're the master of the ship. You decide what to do with it. Of course, be mindful about whatever it is that you're doing. Don't just let one thing make your mind drift a certain way. Play around with certain things. Play around, experience life, and diversify your experience, guys. So I'm not gonna go into the mindset talks and coaching. I'm just gonna hop on to the yard, and yeah, Celebration time, baby. Let's go. Let's see what we have here. Okay, I guess you guys can see me. Yeah, okay. Okay, what did I say? A few backflips, maybe 3 or so, and then I'm just gonna do some power move explosion.